The 2025 Mitsubishi Pajero is a remarkable SUV that continues the legacy of reliability, off-road capability, and modern technology. This latest model brings a refreshed design, improved performance, and advanced features, making it a strong contender in the SUV segment. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 Pajero retains its bold and rugged stance while incorporating modern design elements. The front fascia features a redesigned grille, sleek LED headlights, and a muscular bumper, giving it a more aggressive look. The sculpted body lines and high ground clearance enhance its off-road appeal, while the new alloy wheel designs add a touch of sophistication. Under the hood, the 2025 Pajero offers a range of powerful engine options, including a turbocharged diesel and a V6 petrol variant. These engines are paired with an advanced automatic transmission that ensures smooth and efficient power delivery. The Super Select 4WD system enhances traction and stability, making the Pajero a reliable choice for off-road adventures and urban driving alike. The improved suspension system and enhanced chassis rigidity contribute to a more comfortable ride, even on rough terrains. Inside, the 2025 Pajero boasts a premium and spacious cabin with high-quality materials and advanced technology. The redesigned dashboard features a large touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility. The digital instrument cluster provides real-time vehicle information, while the premium sound system enhances the driving experience. The seats are designed for maximum comfort, with options for leather upholstery, heating, and ventilation. The second and third row seats offer ample space, making the Pajero an excellent choice for families and long road trips. Safety is a top priority in the 2025 Mitsubishi Pajero, with a suite of advanced driver assistance features. These include adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. The reinforced body structure and multiple airbags ensure maximum protection in case of an accident. The new 360-degree camera system and parking sensors make maneuvering the large SUV easier, especially in tight spaces. In terms of technology, the 2025 Pajero is equipped with the latest connectivity and convenience features. Wireless charging, multiple USB ports, and a hands-free power tailgate are just a few of the additions that enhance its practicality. The climate control system has been upgraded for better airflow and comfort, ensuring a pleasant driving experience in all weather conditions. Fuel efficiency has also been improved, thanks to Mitsubishi's advanced engine technology and lightweight construction. The hybrid variant, if available, is expected to offer even better fuel economy while maintaining the SUV's powerful performance. The 2025 Mitsubishi Pajero is designed to cater to adventure seekers, families, and anyone looking for a durable yet comfortable SUV. With its impressive off-road capabilities, refined interior, and advanced safety features, it remains a top choice in its segment. Whether driving through city streets or exploring challenging terrains, the Pajero delivers a confident and enjoyable ride. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated with the latest automotive reviews, specs, and features, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell for more exciting content.